Hi, I'm Daniel Miller and welcome to NUK248 Dynamic Node Graphs with Python in Nuke. This is an intermediate level course which will be looking at working with AOVs and CG and files using Python to accelerate our CG compositing workflow. So first we'll be looking at how and why you can manipulate the node graph in Python, and by the end of our first class we'll have a production ready tool, Node Flipper, which you can already use in production. Next, we'll be looking at manipulating file names and AOV names using regex. This can be intimidating to some people, but we're going to look at some tools and workflows which make this very simple and easy to build. Then we return to the Nuke node graph and we plan our template. This will involve a review of compositing maps and how we put together AOVs in an efficient way. We'll look at some special tricks that we can use. Building the tool in Python will mean tracking the bpipe and the branches of our node graph as we build it. We'll be looking at improving the user experience, thinking about how the users will interact with our tool. With a fully functioning version of our basic tool, we'll begin to add features, implementing materials, and looking at how we can work with different kinds of render setups from different renderers. We're going to look at how to integrate light groups and materials, which can be incompatible mathematically, but we'll find a way of doing it. And then we're going to look at maintaining and refining our code. So we're going to look at how we can avoid errors. We can make sure that the user is able to debug things. We're going to be using GitHub to track our progress. And in the final class, we're actually going to run through a composite, the way I might composite on a production, using the tools that we've built. And then we're going to look at some features we can add both in the final class and hopefully with the knowledge you've learned that you can add in your future projects. I'm very excited to present my first course at fxphd, and I hope you enjoy it.